Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Instagram app. So in order to activate two-factor authentication, first you need to open your Instagram profile, and here you need to select the three-line icon at the top right and click on the setting option. Under setting option you need to click on the security section, and here you can see that there is an option called two-factor authentication. Now this will show that an extra security will be enabled on your account, so you need to click on get started. Here you will get three options, like if you want to enable a Google Authenticator, you can use this feature, or if you want to enable a two-factor authentication for WhatsApp, if you toggle off this feature, they will verify your WhatsApp number and send you verification code on your WhatsApp. You can also choose this text message option also, so it will add your number which you added on your Instagram and send your code to authenticate you. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to authenticate your Instagram app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.